Welcome to the stock analysis of RACL Geartech Limited, a precision and motion company. The current market price is 946 rupees, with a market cap of approximately 1,560 crore rupees. Its 52-week high is 1,692 rupees, and the low is 760 rupees. Our rating is a buy. RACL Geartech, incorporated in 1983, manufactures precision gears and subassemblies for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, and agri-machinery. It's a key supplier to global clients like BMW, ZF, KTM, and Suzuki. The company has a diverse revenue mix, with 70% driven by export. Let's look at the company's history from 1983 to 2026. Incorporated in 1983, commercial production began in 1989. The company pivoted to export in the 2000s, winning orders from BMW Motorrad and KTM. It completed a financial rehabilitation scheme and exited BIFR in 2007. The company commissioned Noida Unit 2 in 2011 and rebranded as RACL Geartech in 2015. The evolution of RACL Geartech spans three eras. RACL 1.0 focused on the domestic aftermarket. RACL 2.0 marked a global export pivot from 2004 to 2019, achieving key certifications and global contracts. RACL 3.0 focuses on systems and EV partnerships, co-developing EV drivetrains and electric power steering systems, aiming for a 1,000 crore rupees revenue target by FY30. Regarding corporate governance, a 2020 SEBI adjudication order for disclosure non-compliance is historical and resolved. The BSEASM tag, a market surveillance measure, restricts retail investor liquidity but is not a regulatory fraud action. A delayed regulatory disclosure in 2025 was acknowledged, and measures were taken. Overall governance is deemed adequate, with no major red flags. RACL Geartech shows strong financial performance. In Q3 FY26, the company reported a year-on-year revenue growth of 21.75% and a remarkable 149% profit after tax growth. The 5-year stock return is impressive at plus 859%, significantly outperforming the Sensex at plus 92%. Key growth catalysts include major EV and BMW projects like Project Venus for EV drivetrains and Project Crystal for electric power steering. The company benefits from strong export momentum, with over 70% of revenue coming from global clients. Capacity expansion, including a new heat treatment plant, is underway to support the growing order book and achieve the 1,000 crore rupees revenue target by FY30. Key risks include elevated debt, with a debt-to-equity ratio of 72% and an interest coverage of 1.98 times. Margin volatility is a concern, with operating margins fluctuating between 18.2% and 22%. Furthermore, heavy client concentration on major OEMs like BMW and KTM means changes in their orders can directly impact revenue. The ASM tag also affects liquidity. The analyst view from ICICI Securities is a BIY with a target price of 1,143 rupees, representing a 22.25% upside. The investment summary highlights RACL Geartech as a high-growth, export-heavy microcap with strong long-term tailwinds from the EV pipeline and the 1,000 crore rupees sales target. However, investors should monitor elevated debt and margin volatility as near-term risks. The key promoter is Gursharan Singh, the chairman and MD, with 40-plus years of experience. Total promoter holding is 42.7%. CEO compensation at 2.68 crore rupees is above the industry median, but remains within the company's act limits. The workforce strength is growing, supporting the company's CapEx-driven capacity expansion efforts.